Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to have a video about meme, which I missed in previous videos. Meme stands for M. So we have three different positions. First, the isolated form. And then we have the initial form. We have the medial form. And then we have the final form. The isolated form, it is just a circle and it goes down. Again, I'm going to write it one more time. A circle and it goes down. It doesn't matter what's the shape of your circle. All you have to do is make it a circle and down. But you have to keep this level. Basically. Very short level. Meme. Okay. So the initial form is a circle. And then we drag it because it's a two-way connector. It's a two-way connector. And then the medial form, we do connect it to the right side and then to the left side. And then the final form gets connected from the right, but you get the same isolated form at the end. Meme. Many people confuse meme with sod. Let me do that with a different color. Meme and sod. Meme. And then we have sod. The saw. Saw. Saw is similar to do. And then ta. And then the. Look where meme stands. It is smaller. It's basically the sod and the dod are double the size of meme. Alright, let me give you a word where meme and sod are together. We have mi, sabah, misbah. Misbah. That means a light bulb. Misbah. 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 Look where meme stands. And look where sod is. Sod basically double the size of meme. So make sure you don't write a big meme. Let me show you something like this. You write like misbah. This is very confusing. Do not write same size meme as sod. Make sure your meme is smaller. Even if you decide to have a small handwriting, you can do something like this. Or you decide to have a big handwriting, you can have a big meme, but you want to make sure you have a bigger sod. And you can play with your handwriting, whichever way you want to do it. But you want to make sure that when you write meme, it's always smaller than sod. Misbah. Let me give you a word that has two memes together. I'm going to write it right here. Let's do it with a different color. Me, sa, ha. Mim, sa, ha. Sa, ha. Watch this. The meme is on the line. The first two memes, they are same height, exact same height. People have different handwritings, so the circle sometimes it's oval, sometimes it's circular. But you want to make sure it is smaller than the sod, and it is on the same level as the other consonants, sin and ha. if you're writing them in one word. All right? Let me do another one where meme is not attached to another meme, but it's attached to another letter. Let's do mismar. Mismar. Meme. Watch the meme. Mismar. That's a nail. Mismar. Mismar. Watch the level. Meme, seen, and meme, they're all in the same level. You don't want to have a handwriting where like this. Meme is here, and then seen is like that, and then another meme is like this, and then that's just gonna look a little bit off. So no, make sure you keep it organized. That way you can read your own handwriting, because sometimes if you write and you misshape certain letters, you won't be able to read your own handwriting. So make sure you recognize your own handwriting by following a rule you have. You can have your own rule, basically. So meme, seen, and meme. Let me give you another word. Minjal. 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 Same thing we said. Even with the noon or with ta, you have to keep them all in the same level. Lam and alif are always the same height. So I hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions about meme, please leave a comment. If you have issues with any other consonants, please leave a comment again and let me know how I can help. Thank you again. Bye-bye.